We're now going to look at the string type. And a string is a representation of text. And in Elan, a string, when it's defined literally, is always terminated at either end by double quotation marks. A string can be multiple characters. It can be a single character. There's no separate type for a single character. Or it can even be an empty string. If you are defining a variable, as soon as you hit one quote, you are given the prompt in white that you're going to need to add the other quote, and you can just cursor or tab to the end when you're ready. Now, in Elan, all strings are interpolated, which means that's best explained by example. If I had another variable, x, of a numeric type, then I can write a string and incorporate the value of x. So, for example, answer is, just by using curly braces and into that to get it to parse, I can put the value x. And now, for example, if I were to print this message out, then I would see the answer is 3. You can add strings together, which will append them. So I can say message plus try another. And that will append try another onto the end. I should probably put a space in there as well. And a string is in fact a data structure and can be treated much like a list of individual characters. So if, for example, I said print out message square brackets character number 3 and run that, we get W because the character count is from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 is the W. And I could even do that as a range, so 3 to 7, and then we get ER. In a range, the upper bound is exclusive. Now, if I want to compare strings, first of all, I could compare them by length. I can also find the length of a string with the method length. Print that out, and it's 24 characters long. And if I want to compare strings for the purposes perhaps of sorting them, I can use other methods. MSG is before ABC, which it won't be, and that returns a Boolean, and there's is after and is before or same as, and so on. You can look these up in the reference.